for our dinner, for our anniversary dinner. And we are going to a floating restaurant here in Penang, somewhere in Bayan Lepas. So we will go out from our place, from this Straits Square Marina, and we will go there. Use our car to go. Hi. Hello, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Wearing red color, same with Mommy. We're going to the lift. Going to the parking area. Our car is in 3rd floor. It's raining here in Penang. We are going to our dinner for our anniversary dinner. And we are going to Bayan Lepas where the floating restaurant is there. So we are planning to go there now. We have no reservation at all. We just go and walk in. So I hope that the rain will not become stronger. And no problem that we can reach there safely and sound. Around 40 minutes going there from our hotel. It's farther, but because we are here already, we want to experience to eat in that floating restaurant. It's raining. We are going there with my son and my husband. My daddy is the one driving always. Okay, just for the time being, it's only that. And I hope that you're enjoying my video, watching my videos. This is anchored at the Scenic Queens waterfront in Bayan Lepas. The decommissioned Pulau Rimau ferry has been transformed into Captain Morgan Kitchen and Bar, offering Penang's first floating dining adventure. You know you're in for a unique experience the moment you step aboard via the striking Blue Bridge. The ferry boasts 3 levels of culinary indulgence. The ground and second floors feature an array of stations serving local and international favorites, while the top deck, Marina de Captain, offers a rooftop bar with stunning views of Penang Bridge and breathtaking sunsets. We are entering the floating restaurant. It's raining, still raining. We are here already. There, you see? Marina de Captain. Thank you, Daddy, for bringing us here. And the arrow is going up.
Dan lijkt het erin op de helft echt op.
Tiga orang. Why you want steamboat? Ah? Yeah. Look. Marina de Captain beverages. This is a big floating restaurant here. It's an old ferry that they renovated to become a floating restaurant. See, so many clothes, Daddy. Up there is a bar, have live band there. So we are here in the first floor.
The live band provides the soundtrack to your evening, infusing the vibrant atmosphere with lively energy. As night falls, the ferry comes alive with colorful lights, its blue hull and yellow framed windows, painting a picture-perfect scene by the waterfront.
We are here in the floating restaurant, Marina de Beverage, Marina de Captain. It's raining, that's why I cannot see clearly the backdrop. They put down the canopy because it's drizzling. We're waiting for our food. We ordered already, and after this we will go on the top in the bar with a live band. We will watch there for a while and enjoy sipping some drinks and some appetizers to eat. But here we eat first our menu set, the food. By the way, the food here this is the first floor of this floating restaurant are all halal food. No pork here, but upstairs in the bar there is non-halal. So afterwards we finish our meal here, we will go up and experience the live band there in the upper deck of this floating restaurant. Strawberry, fresh strawberry. This one, my son's drink. Choco banana.
Our order arrived already, and these are some of the part of the orders that we got in a menu set.
This one is what omelette. Wait for others to come. anniversary celebration with my small family. Small family, 3 of us only. Okay.
You want to go? This one is stingy.
Very big also, ah. Daddy is the captain. Captain for the one watching the the aircon here also. We are here at the top of the floating restaurant. That is the captain maneuvering the ferry. This is a big ferry, yeah. Last time, old one, they make it a floating restaurant.
A must-visit destination that promises memorable moments for both locals and visitors.
Going down there, I can shoot that. It's raining. Just finished the live band. This is the site. Yes, right now is raining. That's why they put down the cover. Cannot see the, how do you call, the sea. Here can sit down very nice if open. We're going back to our hotel. We finished our dinner at the floating restaurant, and now we are at the high